Hey everyone, so today I want to go over how I built my Christmas set for shooting different Christmas shoots. And the key thing, at least for me anyway, is to work with what I have, because building sets can be really expensive to have these big, like, glamorous looking sets, and I definitely don't have the cash or the space to do something like that. So what you'll see after my little intro is how we kind of took the space that we already had, but the Christmas decorations that we already had, and kind of changed things up to make it easier to shoot. So yeah, I hope you guys find this helpful and interesting. If you have any questions, let me know, and at the end of the video, I'll insert some photos of the results of our shoot, which will be kind of exciting. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here we go. Hey friends, this is what we're starting off with Kendra. And we just have like chaos lights, and then the tree without anything looking nice underneath, and it's just like a big mess, and the couch here. So we're gonna fix this up and make it look way nicer for photos. Okay, so the next thing I did to make the tree look more tree-like and full of Christmas cheer is we added a bunch of like boxes, and by a bunch I mean like not a lot of boxes, but hopefully
Does that make it more look like a tree?
Well, these look more like festive. I guess not more like a tree, but look more like festive. You know what I'm saying? So I just added more like Christmas boxes and stuff, and hopefully it's like more Christmassy. So I moved the couch, so we were able to take some photos with like the Christmas decorations and stuff on the bookshelf on the couch, and also get some tree going on. And yeah, so I have to sweep the floor and stuff because it's like really gross. But yeah, that's what we got so far. So I think we have it all set up now. So we have kind of like three different, with Kendra showing off over there. We have like, I tried to set it up, like it looks chaotic, but I think once we shoot it, it'll look good. So from this direction we have the couch, which is cute, and then we have like some anime figures and like some Christmas things up here on the bookshelf. So that's like one angle. And then the other one from here, we have like cute poses on the couch, I suppose, with some cute anime stuff and the tree and some presents. And then we can also just shoot in front of the tree. And then we have a blanket on the ground too, so we can take some photos on the blanket, like kneeling in front of the tree or whatever. But yeah, we'll take some photos and I'll show you guys some of the photos again. I don't know what to say. I'm just gonna stop.